Right now we are at the East Tilbury Nature Reserve, so shall we take a few seconds to listen and appreciate the sounds we can hear? I wonder what you might have been able to hear in the past.
We have prepared a short poem for you to listen to.
When the leaves dance,
and a new wind blows,
when the birds sing,
and a new song is composed,
when deep within the rivers of my soul,
I begin to hear the approaching sea.
I pause and bask in sweet unity.
I cannot bear but to see
the unshakable connection to everything around me.